Alright, it's that time of the month again for a new update on the garden. So first up we have a pimento tree, pimento pepper. What is a Caribbean garden without pimento pepper? Another one right here, looking lusciously green. And yes, it is a toilet you all are seeing. We are container gardeners, we use whatever we can find. Don't worry, it is sanitary. Then we have a pomerac tree. It is in a container. It flowers once. It started in COVID. We'll see if it's going to flower again. Next up is a West Indian cherry tree. Don't know what's going on. It's not bearing any fruits. It's not flowering. I'm giving it one more year. Then we're going to take it out. Put something else in its place. Then we have a lime tree. Yes, we have limes on it. You can see one over there and one up there. It's lime. Then we have, this is my husband's project, cassava in a bed. You'll see how that comes out. Then we have a lime again, little lime of Portugal. I'm not sure why it's not flowering or bearing. Another project we started in COVID. He might be on his way out. Put something else in his place. Then I have, this is what you call worm grass. You drink it if you have worms. Worm grass. Then it has mint. Then this is my flower. I'm not sure the name of it. We'll let you all know in the next video what's the name of it. And a lot is happening in the garden, guys, today. So this is my shadow bunny bed. All of them coming up, looking lovely. A lot has happened in the garden today. A lot. So, my composting area. So, these are the guys you see here, pomegranate seeds. I put them to germinate somewhere else. They were given trouble, so I dumped them all out. And now look, they are growing just right. Then, tomato. He came up in our compost bin, so I can't pull it out. Tomatoes are important. Nothing came into this bed but shadow bunny. We planted today some sweet potato sprouts. Then we have shadow bunny again. This is a grape that needs to be replanted. Not sure where I'm going to put that yet. Then my new addition to my garden, a dragon fruit. Can't wait. Then some more sweet potato slips. This time we sprouted it in the water to see how it will grow best. If it's in ground, straight, or if the sprout the roots first. Under this we have some carrots. I just sowed some seeds in here. Shadow bunny again. And we have corn. Transplanted some cucumbers. And shadow bunny again. Then in here, it has okra. And yes, you guessed it, shadow bunny again. Then in this one, we have cabbage, green cabbage. And over there, we have where we are collecting our sprouts for our sweet potatoes. As they grow, we collect our sprouts and put them to grow. And these lovely little, we have, this is cabbage, and next cabbage, cucumber, and next cucumber. This is a sweet pepper, and those two are key. They are really struggling, so I'm trying to save them. So I put them in something separate. Then there's my aloe vera. We pulled them out for a while ago and forgot to put them out. So they are turning color, but I think we catch them in time to put them back into soil. That one still has to go into soil. And in here, we have some passion fruit seeds. And my tomato tree. As you can see, we are getting some tomatoes on the plant. I'm not sure if it's plum tomatoes or Roma tomatoes because they have different sizes. They're all inside this 5-gallon bucket, so I know they're struggling, but they're giving me fruit and I'm fine. So yeah, then we have lots and lots of more of worm grass just popping up all over. I don't kill them because we use them. Oh yeah, I did not show that is ginger. So we are planting turmeric next week. We're going to plant turmeric next week. That's ginger in there. And yeah, that's how the garden is doing at this time. That's how the garden is doing. When everything comes, it's going to look luscious and green and wonderful. Top view of the garden. It looks like nothing now, but give me 30 days and we'll see what it looks like then.